the basic honing guide. There are many features on this that not everybody is aware of. So when you have a look at it, you'll notice one side's straight and this other side is curved. And that's on purpose, because when you put a blade in here, it's meant to be held at 2 points here and 1 point here on 3 points. And if it's straight off of this edge, it's supposed to get a 90-degree angle off the edge of the blade to across the bevel. Another handy feature on these is that they will hold plain irons up the top here. In these grips, it will hold a bevel edge chisel, and right on the bottom, on the rails, it'll hold either a farmer chisel or a mortise chisel. Such a handy, useful tool to systemize your sharpening. Great for beginners or those that don't do it that often, or even if you do it often, it's absolutely great. Just sets it up that it's consistently the same angle every time. Hope that helps.